Somebody once asked me, why do you film? I mean, the answer isn't that simple. It's what I film, it's who I film, it's where I film. It's not the visuals or the audio, but the story told in each sequence of frames. Here we are, on our way to the Hawaiian Islands, more specifically to the island of Kauai. I only have one goal for this trip. It's to live free and to be free. Without a further ado, let me take you on my journey.
Oh, what do you think of the ice cream? I feel like it's not ice cream.
It's more cream than ice.
No, for sure. Yeah. Oh, what? Oh yeah. How is it, Mom?
Good morning. We are on day 2 of our Hawaii trip here in Kauai. Getting some breakfast, some poke, some pretty awesome views for this morning with some breakfast.
So, what brings you all the way out here too?
My mom's 50th anniversary.
Hey, it's awesome. Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too.
You sending it, Justin?
I'm thinking about it. I don't know.
I'm in the middle, dude. Fucking hell.
Okay, you going right then?
Alright, this is it for the Nepali boat tour. I'll see you guys when I have my real camera back. Lana, we just finished the Arnold Palmer Nepali Coast tour. Mom, where are we going? We're going to Poipu for our farmer's market.
Another day to live another fairy tale. It's another night to drink and then forget.
Oh,
no.
Mom, smile, Lana.
Tomorrow won't wait around.
Alright, we just got back at the hotel. The surf is pretty minimal. It's like 0.5 to 1 because we're in a bay. But I just want to be out there. So I'm going to rent a board, try to get the longest board possible, and see what we got.
We only have a day tonight to live and never pray, to play and never die. It's in the book of stars, the dusky twilight.